Skin, let it in, let it in. My reflection moves, but it's not me. A stranger shaped in clarity. Each breath I take dissolves the line between what's yours and what is mine. There's comfort in this endless fall. No heaven left, no ground at all. I'm weightless where the pain begins. I drown and call it peace within. Falling in the rain, I'm alive and undone. Kissing the dirt where I come undone. Every drop remembers my name. Falling in the rain, I'm not the same. Let me fall again. Make me fall. Let me fall again. The thunder hums beneath my chest. Each heartbeat drowns the rest. Love once burned, now fades to steam. A dying god inside a dream. I whisper truth, but it melts away. The words can't stand, they start to sway. So let me break where no one sees and bleed into this sweet disease. Falling in the rain, I'm alive and undone. Kissing the dirt where I come undone. Every drop remembers my name. Falling in the rain, I'm not the same. Don't wake me. Maybe I was never meant to rise, just to fall beneath your eyes. If heaven's closed and hell's too near, then let the storm erase me here. Let it take me. Let it take me. Let it take me. Let it take me. Falling in the rain, I'm alive and undone. Kissing the ground where I'm coming undone. Every drop remembers my name. Falling in the rain, I'm not the same. I let it in. I let it in. The rain keeps falling, and I don't run, because here I finally belong.